We are here showing the Art Gun project, which is the Balkan edition, showing 3 functional guns in caliber 22. One made the design for Zagreb, one for Belgrade, and one for Skopje. It's also a downloadable project. You can download these guns and print them out on your own desktop printer.
You just have to visit argun.me and you'll find the files there.
Can you tell me something about the technique of creating the guns?
Do you want to talk about the software?
Yes, the guns are made on 3D software called Rhinoceros, and it's basically a printable file that can be printed, as you can see, on any kind of 3D printer. And at the moment we are printing gun during the exhibition. We started this morning and the gun will be finished by tomorrow morning. So this one is taking 22 hours, and in 22 hours you have a finished gun that you can just put a bullet in and shoot.
Fine. So it's a live printing. We do live printing. We live production of it.
Will you be shooting the gun?
Well, we hope to.
Yeah. Can you tell me something like about the background of this project?
Well, the whole project is about aesthetics and danger, and the way we deal with you can see art as a testing ground for emerging technologies, and the probing what you can do and not do, and also of course in the setting of this exhibition what you should do, maybe should not do, and how to exploit new technologies and probe the limits and possibilities. In the current global situation, we are weaponizing not just the conflicts, but how to weaponize thinking in terms of discussing how weapons are produced and could be produced. In this way, we probe what the limits of how we should use technologies.